Hi, today we'll be discussing how to set up Stata in your Jupyter Notebook and how to use Stata in Python in general. So these are some basic steps, and I will give you an example of some random dataset. So firstly, we need to install Stata Setup, Data Setup. So first step, and next, what we're gonna do is just to import it. And the next step will be to basically configure where your Stata installation file is located. So basically, you're telling to your Jupyter Notebook where your installation file is located and Stata folder is located. And since I'm using Windows, I'm just copying and paste this path. And if you're a Mac user, your path would be different. And of course, your path will be different, considering where your Stata folder is located. And the second argument here is your Stata version. So you should check which Stata version you're using and just indicate here in this place. And then you can just run it. Then you should kind of remember it very by heart. Always you should include here so-called cell magic command, or you can call it double $sign, and indicate that we are using state, not Python. Otherwise, it will specifically your Jupyter Notebook interpret it as a Python code, right? So if we want to have it a Stata code here, we always indicate this double Stata sign, and we write here Stata. Okay, let me check if I want to import some random data set. Okay. And I'm using now Stata commands. Right? But actually, before doing so, I just missed one command because uh, without it, it will not work, because I need to indicate where this file is located, right? So I should set up working directory as I do and as we do in Stata, and also in other programs, in other, whether it is R or it is Python, it doesn't matter. We should always indicate where our folder is located, right? Working directory. So let me set it up. So in Stata, it is CD, and then we are just basically copying and pasting the path of the working directory where it's located, where our files are located. Now let me run this. As you see, we have 4 variables and 132 observations. And what we can do next? Maybe xt describe. But before describing it, maybe since I know what is the structure of this data set, I would just lower all variable names till they are in capital letters. So I will lower it. But before doing so, maybe I'll do the following just to show you what's going on here. I'll just put here describe, and it will not work again because I again forgot to put this here, that it's data. And let me run it. Okay, so we have 132 observations, 4 variables, and this uh, basically we have 4 countries, country variable, year, is a time variable, and some data set related to wind energy, right? And then some variable related to renewable energy cost. So as you see, these are some, in a weird way, these variable names. So what I want to do is to lower all of them. So in Stata, you're doing it by just putting rename and this star. So basically indicating that you want to lower all capital letters and all the variables. And here you put the lower. So I just lowered all the ones. So I, what I'm gonna do next, I will put Stata here again, and then I will just check if this command works for me. Yes, as you see, the variable names are lowered. And since, as you suspect, it's a panel data, I will do the following. Just encode country in a specific way so that on that and year, so we're setting it as a is a cross-sectional element, and this is a time element of our panel. And let's see if it works. And check why it work actually. Oh, I forgot to put second here, and now it works. It's a strongly balanced panel data from 1990 to 2022. And this is our panel variable. It's a time variable. Um, what can what else we can do here? Maybe we do following. It's a panel data and stata. It's a panel data and it's a stata commands, right? So we want this variable maybe plotted. Right? So this is now plot what we are getting, and you can do all this stuff. So as you see it, you can basically using your data as your machine, but you are working in your Jupyter notebook. And maybe if you want to do regressions, also you can give a try. Let me do one of them here. I'll just maybe use this function. So this is for panel data analysis. And maybe we want to do a fixed effect panel analysis, and let me run again. We forgot to put here data magic command. And now check. Oh, sorry, it's not. This sum will be just a summary. Sorry about this. It's just a summary for panel data. And but we want to regression. We just copy paste this part, and here we put xtreg, and now we get regression. We do here fixed effect And now we get fixed effect analysis. These are our coefficients, etc., etc. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. I hope you liked it and everything is clear. And I'm gonna just put this code below in the description, and please like it and share it if you like it. Thanks.